Worrying about your gas and electric prices, this is your solution. I've just finished that stunning meal, gorgeous, and I just want to say what an amazing pizza oven this is, wood burning oven, unbelievable, just cooks everything to perfection. You've got so much control with the damper and the airflow, and the jacket potato is a reasonable size. That cooked in about an hour and 10 minutes, but everything was stunning. As you saw, it was an amazing meal. The thing I like about this as well, you've got the double doors, so if it was really cold you could load all this out with wood and it'll be unbelievable heat. So if you're new to my, if you're old to my channel, then you're used to seeing me with my other wood burner that I had, and that's done me for 2 winters. So this is my new piece of kit. This is going to be in between here and my Land Rover, so it's going to live in here for a while, and then obviously in the Land Rover for trips and bits and pieces. But I can't say enough about this. It's amazing. And the thing I really like, which my other wood burner wasn't that good at, is fuel efficiency. So that meal burnt about 4 of these, and it's pine softwood, so it's very fuel efficient, especially when you turn the damper down and the air intake. If you're in the market for one of these, it's awesome, absolutely awesome, and it's lovely in this tent, and the heat that's coming out. And I've only got the one firebox going as well, so if I, like I said, if I did put large sections of wood in there, you can see what you can get into it, and that's not even the full width. So come winter I'll be loading this up. Now let's see what heat it produces. I think I'll have to go outside, to be honest, but I love the temperature regulator on it as well, so you can see what your temperature is, and it kind of holds at that temperature. It's quite an adjustable oven. So I cooked everything around 200 and then ramped it up a little bit to do me steak and me mushrooms, tomatoes and asparagus. So well chuffed.